Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane. In this video, I'm going to take this old printer-scanner combo and turn it into an artist lightbox with storage in the middle for paper and pencils. I'm also going to be hydro dipping the outside of it, which is a new concept to me, and we'll see how it turns out. So let's get started.
I'll start out by taking this printer-scanner combo apart, which turned out to be a long, drawn-out process. After disassembling everything, it looked like the printer had exploded on my workbench. So I decided to separate all the parts from what I would use and what I could potentially use later in future projects. So I put those in a plastic bag. I then started cutting the wood for the drawers that will go on the inside of the printer box. They're meant for storage, and these don't really have to be that perfect, so just using a thin plywood for this. With the drawers fully assembled, I decided to use a dark walnut oil just to give it a different look and cover up some of the imperfections. Here I'm just using some on the drawer fronts themselves just to give it a little contrast. The drawers themselves didn't necessarily fit on the inside of this, so I had to gut out a lot more using a Dremel tool. After cutting enough material away, the drawers were finally able to fit and the door closed. Here I'm just cutting away the top piece just to give it room for the top part of the drawers to fit. Once I had everything cut away, I did a quick test just to see if everything would fit right, and turns out everything closes up really nice. I didn't want all the holes left over from the buttons in this one piece of plastic, so I just used a thin piece of plywood as a panel and cut it out to shape. After some cutting on the bandsaw and sanding, this top replacement piece worked out really well. Here I'm just painting a 2-part primer on all of the plastic pieces before I hydro dip them. For this hydro dipping process, I'm just using a tub of water and 2 spray paint cans that are 2-part primer and top coat. And since this is going to be my son's, he picked out the paint color scheme. So a little black, a little red, and silver here later for the top piece. If you haven't seen this method done, there are plenty of videos out there on YouTube that you can check it out. It's pretty simple and gives it a very cool look. I think these pieces turned out really great for the first time I've tried this. After I let them dry, I sprayed them down with a matte clear coat just for a little more protection. And now I'm laying out the LED light strips that are going in the top part of this light box, and I'll solder them all together and make a connection to the switch, and this thing should be done. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this project in the comments. Quick check of power, and everything lights up. Now I just have to put it all back together. Because I wanted the drawers to hold a full sheet of paper, I had to modify the back panel to the printer because it just wouldn't fit with the drawers in there. So here I am using a piece of Sintra, which is basically just sheet PVC, and heat bending it to mold to fit the back of the printer. Just wiring in the on and off switch, and this thing is good to go.
This guy doesn't even have any like expensive tools or anything. Is this guy a joke? I mean, I don't understand what's he doing. Oh, hey, just sitting here making a reaction video with this light box you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get an email notification every time I get another object and flip it into something awesome. Y'all go out and have a great day. Go make something awesome. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff you need to do. Have a great day. And right there. The sander, really? Come on.